and welcome to CAD/CAM CA Learning Solutions YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will see how to create dust cap in Catia part design. The link to download the part PDF file is given in the description. Okay, so let's start with mechanical design, select part design. You can apply the name here, dust cap, and OK. Alright, so you can see three planes here. The XY plane is top plane, YZ plane is front plane, and ZX plane is right plane. Okay, now we will see the dimensions. First of all, we need to create these two circles. The first one is our radius 40 and the second one is diameter 53.98 and 53.87. Now you can see two values here because of the tolerance value given. Alright, so we can simply average it, or you can simply use one of the values to create inner circle. Alright, now I'm selecting YZ plane, that is our front plane. Click on sketch. Okay, now you will enter into Sketcher Workbench. Alright, you can create full circles here, or there is a tool circular arc. Alright, select simple arc, select center, and you can create semicircular arc here. Now I'm creating two arcs. Then you need to apply dimension to it. So first one is radius 40 and second one is 53 point. For example, I'm taking 95. So click on constraint, select first one, radius is 40, then select second one and its diameter is given, so change it to diameter and 53.95. Alright, you can see the dimensions here. Alright, now you can directly connect this via straight line. So select simple line and connect the endpoints. Now we need to remove this extra part. So select quick trim from transformation features and click on this line. Okay, now the next part is another circle is attached to the outer curve. Okay, the center of this circle is 36 mm away from vertical axis and 14 mm from horizontal axis. So first of all, we need to create a simple circle. Now the radius of circle is 8 mm. So double click on constraints, apply radius first, that is 8 mm. Next, its center's distance from vertical axis is given, so 36, and the center's distance from horizontal axis is also given, and which is 14. Okay, so you can see the circle is fully constrained here. Now we need to trim the extra part. So again, click on quick trim and just select these two arcs. Alright, next part you can see on the right side, the curve is not full. Okay, you can see a line connecting the curve and the length of the line is given as 13 mm. So simply create a straight line here. For example, select line, start from horizontal axis and create a vertical line connecting to the arc. Alright, and again click on constraint, apply 13 mm height to it. Select and 13, enter. Okay, now again we need to trim this extra part. So select quick trim and trim this. Okay, so the first basic part is done. Okay, don't draw this hole here. Alright, we can always use hole command in the part modeling, so do not draw this circle in Sketcher modeling. Alright, so select, then exit workbench. The sketch is already selected. Alright, or you can select it from here and use pad command. Alright, now the total extrude length is given 51. Add 51 here and OK. Right, if you need to edit it afterwards, then you can simply double click here. Alright, and change the length or reverse its direction. Next, we will change the display mode to shading with edges. Okay, now we will create the back part. Okay, you can see 65 radius arc here, which is connecting to this 13 line. All right, so select back face, again click on sketch. Okay, now you need this circle on the left side, you can see here. All right, so you can simply just click on normal view, it will rotate the view by 180 degree. All right, next, now we need this inner edges to connect with this outer surface. Okay, so select project 3D element and project all these edges. If you want to use the tool continuously, then just double click on the tool. All right, select, and again you can simply click on escape or click on the tool again. Okay, next, the radius is given, that is 65, center will be same, so select circular arc or simple arc, select center and just create one arc here. Again click on constraint, apply radius at 65 millimeters. Okay, next you can see at the end, again here is a straight line of length 13, so simply create a vertical line. Now the line is not connected to this arc, so click on endpoint, click on arc, and in constraint define in dialog box you can apply coincidence here. Okay, next click on constraint, select line and apply 13 millimeter as its height. Okay, now you can trim the extra part, so select quick trim and trim. All right, now you need this line on the other side also, so again simply click on the line, use mirror tool here. Okay, so click on mirror, then you need to mirror it about vertical axis, so select vertical axis and the line will be mirrored here. Okay, now again select quick trim and delete this part. Okay, now we need to join this part, so simply select line, select first point and second point. Again here select first point and second point. The sketch is closed now. Okay, on the top you can see the top surface is also flat. Okay, so create a line here which will be 62 millimeters from bottom surface. So select line, first simply create a horizontal line here and then apply dimensions to it. So select constraint, select bottom line, select top line and apply 62 millimeters between them. Okay, now we need to trim this extra part, so select quick trim from transformation features and select the arc. All right, and now our sketch is complete. Again, do not draw these circles, we can directly use hole command in 3D modeling. Okay, so select exit workbench. Next we need to pad it, pad length is given as 9 millimeters. Select pad, reverse direction and add 9 millimeters length and click on enter or simply click on OK. Next, now we need to create this base part also. Okay, so the base part, we can create one base part and just simply mirror it using vertical plane. So again select bottom face, sketch. Now you can see whenever I click on sketch, the part is getting vertical. Okay, if you need it horizontal, then instead of sketch, select position sketch. Okay, so click on position sketch, select face and you can swap its directions. If you want to reverse the horizontal direction, you can simply click reverse horizontal. If you want to reverse the vertical direction, you can reverse the vertical, or I'm simply clicking swap, which will reverse these both directions and OK. And now you can see the part is horizontal. Okay, so I'm creating a base here. First we need to project these edges, so select project 3D element, select first line, select second line and stop. Okay, now you can see the shape here. First line is connected from here to here, the total length is given as 21 and you can see an arc here and the radius of the arc is 13, R13. So first select profile tool, click on the endpoint. Next, just create two simple lines here. All right, now I'm applying fillet here So select fillet, select two edges and give radius of 13 millimeters. Alright, now it's not fully constrained yet because we haven't applied center's distance to it. Okay, so you can see that the center, it's same as the hole center. Okay, and the hole center is 21 millimeters away from back surface. Alright, so click on constraint, select back edge, select center, and you can apply 21 millimeters. Okay, and now the sketch is fully constrained. Okay, so exit, again select sketch, select pad tool, and the extrude length is 13 here. So reverse direction and apply 13 millimeter as pad length. Alright, now again we don't need to repeat the procedures here. We can simply select the pad from tree. Alright, next we can use the mirror command here. So select pad, click on mirror, yes. Now select vertical plane. Okay, so we need to mirror it about vertical plane. So select ZX or vertical plane. You can see the projections here and click on OK. Alright, and the part is almost complete. Now we need to create holes in this. Okay, so first we will start with this. Now you can see the dimensions here, 6 drill, 13 deep. Means diameter is 6 and the hole depth is 13. Alright, so select hole command. Now if you want the hole at the center of this arc, so first select the edge, then select the face, and you can see the concentricity mark here. If you are not sure, just click on positioning sketch and you can see the center is fully constrained. Okay, and you can see the concentricity mark here. Then click on exit. Now you can apply the dimensions. So diameter is 6 and depth is 13 millimeters. Alright, and click on OK. Okay, so first hole is created here. Next, for second hole, we need this hole. Now remaining 4 holes, you can see the dimensions here, 9 drill, 4 holes. Okay, means diameter is 9 and you can see the 4 holes here. Alright, so select hole. This hole is also concentric with this R13 arc, right? So I am selecting first this edge, then face. So this hole will be in concentric with this arc. Alright, diameter is 9 and this is a through hole. Alright, so I am selecting up to next option and click on OK. Now we need similar hole on this side also. So again we will use mirror command. So select hole from tree, click on mirror and select vertical plane and click on OK. Alright, in similar way we will create this hole also. So first select hole, click on this surface. Now we have to apply dimensions to its center. Okay, so select positioning sketch. Now this center is at 82 millimeters apart. From center axis it's 41 millimeter and from horizontal axis it's 32 millimeter. Okay, so select constraint. From vertical plane it's 41 millimeters apart. Okay, and from horizontal plane or last edge it's 32 millimeters. Okay, we will see the dimensions here. Alright, next the center is fully constrained, so click on exit. Now you can apply the dimensions, which is 9 millimeter and up to next or up to last, and OK. Again we will select this hole, use mirror command, select vertical plane and OK. Alright, so you can see the sketch is almost complete. Now we need to apply these fillets here. Alright, so fillets and rounds of radius 3. All the fillets are of radius 3. So select fillet tool. Next select these edges, for example for 1, 2, 3, again 1, 2, 3, then 4. Okay, now I am applying fillet to these edges first. Okay, do not select all the edges at once, otherwise it will show error here. Alright, so select. Now next I am selecting this edge, click on OK, and now the 2 edges are remaining. So select first edge and select second edge, radius is 3 and click on OK. Alright, so the part is complete now. Alright, if you want to apply material, select material mode, okay, shading with material, then click on apply material, select any face, and you can apply the material from here. Okay, so I'm applying sunshine orange and click on apply material. Okay, so the now part is complete. Hide the planes so you will get the better visibility. Alright, so in this way you can create dust cap in Catia. Alright, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to the channel.